Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another discount tool review. This one is an 8-in-1 Dollar Tree screwdriver set. Hang on. All right, we've got the 8-in-1 Dollar Tree screwdriver set. Let's get the old reading glasses out here. These are Dollar Tree reading glasses, by the way. These are well worth $1. I've got probably 8 or 10 of these things floating around the house and the shop and this and that. At $1 a piece, they work great. Right there, I have the instructions on the back. Again, it is just the importation. It's from China. Nothing on the front. It just says 8-in-1 screwdriver set. Okay. It has the plastic sleeve on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a twist, and it comes right off. Okay. Now, it is a nice little handle. It looks like the, ooh, that's nice. Look at that. The little holder for the bits comes off the tool. Okay. Now, I'm going to look and see, oop, look at that. The cap on the bottom. It spins, but is it removable? Hang on, we're about ready to say that it just spins. It just spins. It does not come off. Or if it does, it probably won't go back on. Let's see here. No? Okay. It has a rubberized handle. The handle does spin, but it doesn't need to. You can grip it. It's a really nice plastic. It's not the hard, brittle plastic. It is the soft plastic. So the cap is brittle. The handle part here is soft. It actually feels okay in the hand. I wouldn't want to do a major work with this using this tool, but it actually looks halfway decent. It's pretty solid. Now the bits themselves, again, let me throw my glasses on again here. The bits themselves, it looks like you've got two sizes of the slotted, a really good size one there and a smaller one. And it looks like a number 2 bit and then whatever the smaller bit is. And then it has, and they look okay. It has a couple of Allen bits. And it looks like a couple of Torx bits, okay? And it's probably the most standard ones that you'd use. There's one of the Torx bits there. I don't know. I don't think it's magnetic, so I wouldn't worry about that. No. But it goes in about that far from my nail to the end right there. It goes in that far into the tool, okay? Let's see if it comes out. It stays in pretty good, okay? And let's see if it sticks on this. Let's see if this works. That looks pretty good. These are on there pretty tight. Okay. Yeah, that one kind of slippery. But anyways, the main thing is it looks like it's a halfway decent little set there. It's $1. It's a Dollar Tree. So I think until we figure out the bits and this and that, if you were to try and test the bits, they probably work for minor stuff. I wouldn't work on eyeglasses with it, but I think this tool is worth $1. So again, this is the DIY Magician with another discount tool review. The 8-in-1 screwdriver set from the Dollar Tree. If you've been with us before, thank you very much for coming back. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. That way you get to see the videos as they come out, and you'll have a lot of fun. Thanks again. Till next time.